Hello everyone, it's Robin the Artsy Bohemian coming to you from my studio in Los Angeles, California. I am going to be showing you what is to come. It's like a sneak peek of the giveaway. I'm decided to make a journal, a junk journal, and you know how you think you can get something done within a couple of days and then you can't. That's kind of what happened to me, so I just figured I'll show you and probably get you more excited to see what I will be giving away. I'm not only giving away a junk journal, one of my handmade junk journals, I'm also giving away a kit, which this is the beginnings of it. It opens up and there'll be lots of goodies for you to use in your own junk journal, so I'll show you that in a minute. The kind of junk journal I'm going to give you is the kind that I teach in my French Bohemian Traveler's Junk Journal course. And if you're interested in looking at that, if you haven't taken the class, you might want to look at it. It's one of my most popular classes. I have about 400 students in the class right now. And even though it started about a year and a half ago, it's still very popular. There's over 20 hours of video footage, and you make a Bohemian style junk journal from start to finish and everything in between. So the journal that I'm making you, if whoever wins this giveaway, is this one right here. This is one I started probably 4 years ago, and I never finished it, and it's every time somebody sees it, this is the one that people seem to be drawn to. So I started working on it some more, and I'm not going to show you the insides because the pages are in there, but they're not all, I don't have them all decorated yet. So I'll show you just the first page. There's going to be 2 signatures, and there will be some area for writing. There's going to be a lot of fun different types of pages in here with ephemera. So this is what I'm going to be giving away in next week. This will be done next Tuesday, along with the kit that will have lots of fun ephemera for you to make a junk journal, and also a bundle of doilies and vintage laces and fun things that I like to use in my journal. So this is the one also that is similar. I made this at the same time, probably around 4 years ago. And so I'm using this as my guide because this is the same formula that I use to teach the classes, the lessons in the Bohemian Junk Journal class that I teach online. So there's going to be all these really fun pieces of ephemera, different pages, tuck spots, pockets, mostly vintage pieces of paper and copy dyed paper. So this isn't the one I'm going to be giving away, but this is going to be similar to this one here that I'm making. So I just thought I would show you that. This isn't a tutorial today. I just could not get everything together in time to show you. I was planning on maybe doing a tutorial on this guy. So if you want to learn how to make this, and I will show you this in just a minute, then that'll be something that we'll work on too. And I'm also still going to be binding the file folder journals from the ledgers. That's going to be coming up too. So there's going to be all these fun types of pages in the journal that I'm giving away next week. You need to be a subscriber, and you need to click the bell icon so that you're notified next Tuesday when I show you the journal. I'm not going to be doing the actual giveaway next Tuesday. I'm going to be showing you everything that is going to be in the giveaway, and then that's when it'll start. And I'm going to have a couple things for you to comment on to be a part of the giveaway. So there's some vintage French paper in here. a lot of you have probably already seen this, especially if you've taken my class, because I would show it often. This is just one of them in the class that I taught. And here's another one. I had quite a few that I showed. So it's my signature style, and that is what you will be getting in the journal that I'm making fresh for you. So this is not done either, but this is kind of gives you an idea what you'll also be getting with the giveaway. There'll be lots of little envelopes that will have ephemera in them that's loose so that you can use it for your journal. And I kind of just, I didn't put everything down completely. It's kind of just loose right now. But it kind of opens up like this. It's a trifold like that. And there'll be these little pockets that open. I'm going to have more on this side, and also this will flip up with lots of fun ephemera. And yeah, so I really had fun making it. It's actually made from a large bag, which, you know, lots of people do on YouTube. It's not a new thing, but then I covered it with lace, some vintage lace. So I'm having a lot of fun making these, but like I said, there weren't enough hours in the day. You know how it is. By the way, thank you so much for your nice comments my last Tuesday tutorial, and for telling me. Everybody said that thing that I showed you is a lampshade pull. So that seemed to be the consensus. Everybody said that's what it was, those of you who knew. So that is it for today. I hope that gives you a little bit of excitement to know that I'll be giving these away. And like I said, you just need to become a subscriber. I will have everything for you to see next Tuesday complete. That'll be complete. And at that time I will start the giveaway, meaning you'll leave a comment and then I will announce it. I might even announce it that Friday. I might not wait till the Tuesday after that. We'll see. So let me know what you think in the comments below, and I will see you next Tuesday.